Your shadow in the train windows glow, a fleeting breeze beyond the misty glass. The evening sky painted in orange tones. The moment I saw you, my heart stood still.
Even from afar, just watching you, your smile fills the corners of my soul. Do you ever see me? Even once my heart trembles, like the train's soft hum.
Night the train left, leaving you behind. My heart stays frozen in that place. Your warmth, your smile, the light in my soul. Love shines beautifully, even from afar.
On the platform, your silhouette fades. With a single bag, you walk away. Words I couldn't say, buried in my chest. This song carries my heart's quiet whisper.
Inside the train, our brief words linger, like the scenery they rush by too fast. Your eyes holding stories deep within. My heart still lives in that fleeting moment.
The place where your fingertips brushed mine.
Your warmth wraps around my trembling heart.
Was our meeting chance or destiny? I'll wait for you where the train comes to rest.
The night the train left, leaving you behind. My heart stays frozen in that place. Your warmth, your smile, the light in my soul. Love shines beautifully, even from afar.
Leaning on the window, I think of you. Your laughter echoes deep in my heart.
Miles apart, my soul still with you. On fate's tracks, I'll find you again.
If I could ride that train once more,
You and I in the same moment's grace.
if my clumsy heart could reach your soul, this love would never fade away.
The night the train left, leaving you behind. My heart stays frozen in that place. Your warmth, your smile, the light in my soul. Love shines beautifully,
this home. I'm running to you.
The night the train left, I call your name. My heart still reaches out to you. Someday at that station we'll meet